Press the red button to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get the latest updates from Sonia Goes Natural. This Kadak chai with wonderful flavors comes with very easy recipe. This is a small piece of ginger which I am crushing in this mortar, and with this small piece of ginger I will be making two small cutting chai. Here I have taken half a cup of water in this through this mug. So this mug am I using as a measurement to make 2 cups of half teas or a cutting chai as we say. So here the water has come to boil. At this point am I going to add what the ginger which I had freshly crushed, and this ginger will render wonderful flavors in our karak chai. Now here I'm adding a little bit of cardamom for the extra kick, and let it come to a boil. After this comes to a boil, am I going to put the tea leaves. Here I'm going to take 2 teaspoons full of tea leaves. Yes, because with that, if I want that strong flavors, it will come through that. So here the 2 teaspoon leaves have been added to this. Prefer taking some strong flavor tea. And now with this am I going to add the milk. Yes, the milk has been added. Sorry, I couldn't record the clip. And the milk has been added with the same mug with which I had added the water, and exactly half of the mug and half of the water has been taken. So total it's 1. And now at last am I adding the sugar. So before boiling am I adding the sugar, and the sugar is added at the last. The tip here is, if you add sugar first and if your quantity reduces, then you can get a pretty sweet tea. So it's better to add sugar at last, and keep on just shaking this bowl, because this will help in not sticking of the tea leaves around the bowl, and it becomes very easy to clean. So this tip is very important. Now you can see the boil has started to come. It is at this point the another secret. This small addition of this tea leaf will act wonders for the karak chai. Yes, this tea leaves will brew and give that extra color and wonderful flavors to your karak chai. Believe me, this small pinch of tea leaves towards the end, you can see the flavors have been enhanced. The color has just taken a new level altogether. And now I'm going to switch off the gas and put it aside just for brewing for 2 minutes, not more. And now I'm just adding it in the serving jar so that I can just pour it in the glasses and just serve it with that little froth on the top. It just looks very, very good. And look at the color, look at the feel of that tea. You feel as though you are sitting in this karak chai, giving you a feel of the roadside dhaba. Enjoy the wonderful chai. Till we meet next time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Isn't this Kadak chai giving you a feel of the roadside dhaba? Enjoy the wonderful chai. Till we meet next time, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.